Oh, hello and welcome to another North Wales side-by-side video. I've actually got the jimny up on the lift tonight. I've got one of these scissor lifts that goes underneath the chassis and lifts the whole car up. Well, I'm actually going to do a set of brake pads tonight. I've actually got both front wheels up off the ground. Taken the wheel off that one already. I'll show you. This is off the ground and it's supported mechanically on that lift. It's under there, under the suspension arms on both sides, so it's plenty safe up there. Don't need any jack stands. So tonight's job, change the pads. So without doing any more, first thing I'm going to crack is the bolts on the slides. And this caliper's not seized up, so in theory all I'm trying to do here is force the piston all the way in. And it looks like the piston's gone all the way in now. Yeah, piston's all the way in. I'm having a guess they're 13. They might be 12. I'm a 12mm. That's just exposed the brake pads. Just by taking that one pin out. So I'm going to crack them pads out now. There's not a lot left on these pads. That's what's come off. That's new and old. There's a lot of difference. Yep, brake pads are the same. So there's no wear indicators on these pads, so it doesn't matter which way round they go in. So I'm going to give that a clean with good old brake cleaner. Right. I need to push my piston in a little bit further. Now, and it does. You don't need a lot. And all I'm going to do on the other side is repeat that process. I won't show you the other side because it's exactly the same. So you can see how easy it is to do yourself. Jack and support the car, remove the wheel. You only need to remove one of the slide bolts to hinge the caliper out the way, push the piston in, knock the old pads out, give everything a clean down with some brake clean, put the pads in. I always use a little bit of copper grease on the surfaces where that's metal to metal, and the same on the piston. It's a metal piston on the metal brake pad. Stops a bit of noise. So that's one done. Other side's the same, like I said, not showing you that. That's how easy it is to do a set of pads on a Suzuki Jimny. Tools used: 19mm socket for the wheel nuts to get them off, and then it was a 12mm socket to get the slide bolt out. G-clamp, pushing the piston in like you saw me do. I had a hammer because that pad was a bit tight going in, but it went in, and screwdriver for initially pulling the caliper back. And that's all the tools you need to do this job. Dead simple. Anybody can do it. It is that easy. Anyhow, I hope you learned something from this video, because this is the first time I've ever done a set of pads on a Jimny, but brake pads are brake pads. These are simple calipers, they're simple cars. Hope you enjoyed. Please consider clicking like, please consider subscribing. Thanks very much for watching another video. Good night.